Hello, Green Ridge Giants. This is Susie Reed here, and I want to show you how to report your daily lunch count. So I'm on the Green Ridge Giant page, their web page, and I'm going to scroll down right here where it says Site Shortcuts and going to the Teacher Daily Lunch Report. I'm clicking on that, and then a spreadsheet's going to open up. This is an Excel spreadsheet. It is not a Google spreadsheet. And I want you to notice that it pops up, and if I look over here to the right, I am logged into my account here, and you may want to check too. I notice that a lot of you are not logged in, which is okay, but it would be a good idea for you to log in. This is with Microsoft. There, okay. So then when I get to this home page, let me move this out of there, just close this up. I want you to notice that there is a page with teacher directions, right? And it has some specific directions for you that you need to read through and make sure you know, or if you forget, familiarize yourself with. And then at the bottom, we have tabs for each week. So I'm looking at the week of March the 8th. Oh, first thing is, let's see, I am in editing. Yes, or I'm looking at the week of March the 8th. I'm sorry, I got off track here. Okay, and when you look up here, you want to make sure that the word edit, it may come up as view. If it does, you can just switch it to edit. All right. Now, I can scroll this sheet on your laptop. If you use two fingers on your tracking pad, you can scroll up and down. Like if I wanted to get to Miss Gullidge, I can bring her right up to the top. And if I wanted to go, let's say, to Thursday the 10th or Thursday's the 11th, I can go right there. And you notice right now we don't have a choice. So it is what it is, what the kids get. Now, if you don't use your device and use a tracking pad and you're using a mouse, you also have these little arrows down at the bottom of the spreadsheet that you can scroll up and down, and you still see the dates, you can still see your name, and you can still see the menu. So if I'm Miss Gullidge, I may want to do this just to help me follow along. I'll put in my order for today. Let's say it's 5, and then I tab and either tab or click off, and you need to tab or click off of it so it totals by class, and it also totals by grade. Let's see, now this one doesn't do that, but it totals for the whole school. So like if another teacher put a number down, it tallies it up. When you are done, just simply click off. I'm going to click these back to 0 right now because I don't want to have any confusion going forward. I clicked off and there it is, back at 0. Now I'm just going to X out of here and I'm done. That's it. Don't open in the desktop app. You don't have to worry about being in viewing. You don't have to save it. As you see right here, it says saved. If you have any questions, please let me or Miss Martin know in the cafeteria and we will help you. And if you would please do this each morning. I'd say, I think on the directions it says by 8:45 so that they can begin to get your lunches ready. Thank you.